Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have my first screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro. In today's video, I'm reviewing one of the best ones out there, which is the Spigen Glas TR Easy Fit for the iPhone 17 Pro. You do have, it's a 2-pack, so if you mess up one, you can have the other one on the side and use it. Spigen makes some great cases, and the screen protector is some of my favorite ones to use. I have it on my Z Fold 7. I actually have it on my Pixel 10 Pro XL. So Spigen is one of my go-tos for the screen protectors. But I do have some other coming in from my Flow Lab and a couple other screen protectors too. So we're gonna try them out. But this is it. This is that Spigen one. Trolling by the box. See what you get in this bad boy. So you get 2 screen protectors. You get 2 little books here. Bam. Instructions. We don't need instructions. Put that on the side. So you get 2 wipes. I'm gonna take that off. Get a dust removal. Microfiber cloth. How many of these do y'all have laying around your house? So turn off the iPhone. That's the first thing. I don't even know how to turn this bad boy off. All right, once you turn it off, this is your little squeegee. You can actually use this as a little holder for your phone. So something like that to not have it rock. But then normal installation, you want to clean off the phone. Like I said in all my installation videos, or any type of screen protector videos, try to do this at nighttime. Try to do it where the room is not dusty as late as night as possible, because that way you can sit on there before you try to put a case. And especially the dust too, you don't want any dust bubbles on there. Then you can wipe it down with your claw. But they make it so easy now too to install these things. The only thing you have to worry about is the dust bunnies. But like I said, do it somewhere where it's not dusty. Do it at nighttime. Right when you go to bed. That way you don't even touch it and just let it sit. So here's the screen protector itself. It will tell you which one is the top, and then it tells you which one to remove too. So let's see, this is the top part of it. You want to remove the back first, and then just kind of place it in there like that. Make sure the phone is in there good, just like that. And then put it back on your little cushion here. And then you just press and slide. It says wait 30 seconds. Do you have to really wait 30 seconds? No. You can see it doing this thing. Then you just take this off. And then you just kind of want to pull this off. And then, bam. Look, I do have one little bubble there. One big bubble, actually. But don't fear. If you have bubbles, just go around with your little squeegee here. Make sure you get all the bubbles off. And if you have any little bubbles that's not a dust bunny, they will come away. But I mean, how easy is that now? So look at it. It goes all the way around this whole display there. And that was simple to use too. I do have two little bubbles there, but they're already gone. So that's the Easy Glas TR screen protector from Spigen. I mean, it's just simple to install now these days. And look, I mean, it goes pretty much all the way to the corner. without any issues. So again, if you want to pick this up for your iPhone 17 Pro, you can definitely do so. If you're watching this, I will have the links in there for the 17 Pro Max also, if you want to pick it up for the Pro Max. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 17 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.